Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delightful snack, crispy sweet potato bites. Let's jump right in. Start by thoroughly washing and peeling the sweet potatoes. Then cut them into bite-sized cubes. In a mixing bowl, combine the diced sweet potatoes with eggs, adding a dash of white sugar for sweetness. Toss in some flour and a touch of water, mixing until you get a sticky consistency. Next, line your baking tray with aluminum foil and grease it lightly. Spread out the sweet potato mixture evenly and a drizzle of oil over the top. Pop the tray into the air fryer heated at 200 degrees Celsius and let it bake for about 30 minutes until golden and crispy. Once done, slice into bite-sized pieces and they're ready to enjoy. Give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.